Labup Kids Learning.
Welcome back to Labup Kids Learning. Today we will learn about the names of pink fruits. Let's get started. Pink strawberry. Pink strawberry. Pink strawberry. Pink strawberry. Pink raspberry. Pink raspberry. Pink raspberry. Pink raspberry. Pink peach. Pink peach. Pink peach. Pink peach. Pink lady apple. Pink lady apple. Pink lady apple. Pink lady apple. Rose apple. Rose apple. Rose apple. Rose apple. Pink pineapple. Pink pineapple. Pink pineapple. Pink pineapple. Pink grapefruit. Pink grapefruit. Pink grapefruit. Pink grapefruit. Pink banana. Pink banana. Pink banana. Pink banana. Pink lemon. Pink lemon. Pink lemon. Pink lemon. Pink guava. Pink guava. Pink guava. Pink guava. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Pink lychee. Pink lychee. Pink lychee. Pink lychee. Pink mango. Pink mango. Pink mango. Pink mango. Pink apricot. Pink apricot. Pink apricot. Pink apricot. Pink tomato. Pink tomato. Pink tomato. Pink tomato.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.